Assalamu alaikum guys. Today's topic we are going to discuss is
Adjunct.
let's move to today's topic. But before moving to the topic, if you do not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Hit the bell icon and watch the full video so that you may get the complete idea of the topic. Well, guys, firstly, we are going to announce the topics we will discuss in this video today. It is adjunct pronunciation, S plus V plus adjunct means subject, verb, and adjunct. Next is adjunct in a sentence, adjunct in linguistics. Why use adjuncts? Sentence with adjunct. Okay, there are more topics to be discussed. What is adjunct in English grammar? Definition of adjunct in English grammar. Adjunct meaning in English grammar. Adjunct definition and examples. All about adjunct. So these all topics will inshallah cover up the whole topic of adjunct. तो बच्चों ये टॉपिक्स जो हैं वो बड़े इम्पोर्टेंट हैं और आपने ये जहन में रखना है ताकि आप अपनी राइटिंग और अपनी स्पीच में यूज़ कर सकें। बाज़ औक़ात हम इन चीज़ों के ऊपर बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं। सो द टॉपिक ऑफ द वीडियो इज़ adjunct. It is a grammatical element. It is also used in linguistics, syntax, and parts of sentences. Cover this topic as well. So before we go to the next portion, it will be appropriate to have the pronunciation of adjunct. So the American pronunciation and British pronunciation of this word are same as adjunct, right? It is not adjunct, right? Mostly students pronounce it as adjunct, but it is the wrong pronunciation. Same is the case with the word adjective, right? Mostly we say with adjective. That is wrong pronunciation. Okay. The next is the structure of the adjunct discussed. It is with the subject plus verb plus adjunct, right? So now we will have a look at the definition of the topic. The definition includes adjunct is a word or phrase that is used to add some meaning and information to a sentence. At times, it can also be removed from the sentence without damaging the meaning. It can be done while making the sentence ungrammatical. बच्चों बाज़ औक़ात हम इसे सेंटेंस से हटा भी दें तो भी सेंटेंस अपने मीनिंग कन्वे करता है, ठीक है? और वो अनग्रामेटिकल नहीं होगा, उसके मीनिंग स्पॉइल नहीं होंगे। So let's have a look at the examples, right? Adjunct examples 1. तो पहली एग्जांपल इसमें दी गई है We met Ali in the market. तो मेन क्लॉज जो है इसमें We met Ali है और इसमें जो एडवर्बियल या एडजंक्ट जो है वो दिया गया है in the market. It is the adverb of place. So yeah, adverbial of place. So serving as an adjunct. ठीक है? Okay, next, this sentence conveys meaning even if we eliminate its adjunct. It will become now we met Ali. अगर हम इसमें से अब देखें एडवर्बियल हटा भी दें तो तब भी ये मीनिंग अपने कन्वे करेगा और अब सेंटेंस हमारा जो है वो वी मेट अली बन गया। इसमें तब भी वो मीनिंग अपने कन्वे कर रहे हैं। इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी कि हमें ये बताना है कि वो कहाँ पे मिला, कब मिला, ठीक है? एडवर्बियल्स ऑफ प्लेस, टाइम हम उसे फ्रीक्वेंसी या आगे रिजल्ट या रीजन में हम उसे यूज करें, उसकी जरूरत नहीं है. So no, it is conveying its meanings without mentioning the place of meeting, that is adjunct, right? So let's move to another example, that is example 2. It also tells us main clause plus adjunct, they play. In the evening, they play is the main clause, and in the evening is adjunct of time or adverbial of time. So they play in the evening. In the evening को अगर हम eliminate कर दें तो तब भी हमारा sentence जो है वो meaningful है. Now they play is complete sentence without the use of adjunct. Exercise 1 है next हमारी. Let's move to the exercise 1. Adjunct exercise 1. Add adjuncts with these main clauses. तो इसमें आप लोगों ने बड़ी एहतियात के साथ जो है वो आगे एडजंक्ट्स यूज करने हैं. दीज आर 5 मेन क्लॉजेस गिवन. सो इट इज द टाइप ऑफ activity you will revise the whole topic and will make it in your creative writings, right? So the worker work, ठीक है? You live with your parents. She is cooking food. We study together. The driver rushed the van. So adjunct, you will add the adjuncts, right, to complete these sentences. Next, move to the exercise 2, that is adjunct exercise 2. Add main clauses with these main adjuncts, right? अब आपने यहाँ पे मेन क्लॉजेस जो है वो ऐड करनी है. एडजंक्ट्स आपको गिवन है. तो फर्स्ट वन इज विद द न्यू बॉल, एट द रूफ, ऑन द हिल टॉप, बाय द रोड, in the water. So you will be adding up the main clauses to make these phrases meaningful, right? Now comes the feedback. You will write down both main clauses and the adjuncts to check whether you have got the concept or not. And afterwards, you will submit your sentences in the comment section of this video to give us a satisfaction that we have conveyed the topic up to its spirit. So, students, this is all about adjunct, and I hope you people now have got an idea. So, while you will do these exercises, you will actually strengthen your concept, and afterwards, you will be able to identify and write the adjuncts in your writings, right? It is now giving you a lot of sense, and this sense will lead you towards correct English. So, hope for the best, and be always participative in our videos. I hope you people have got sufficient regarding this topic. If you feel any query and difficulty, you can discuss in the comment section to clarify or rectify that problem or that issue. We will be meeting in next video inshallah. तब तक हमें इजाजत दें. अल्लाह हाफिज.